Okay, so right here we have a radius, probably of a dog. We're going to go ahead and follow through on the study guide. First we have the fovea. Fovea means a depression or indentation. This is the fovea right here. And the fovea is going to be articulating with the ulna. Next we have the head, or sometimes called the capitulum, which is going to be this top region, okay? So this is all the head right here. Right underneath the head, conveniently, is the neck. So this would all be the neck. Next we're going to have the bicipital or the radial tuberosity. You can see this little tuber as we've talked about earlier. Tuber means like a protuberance, something that's going to be sticking out. So this is going to be that bicipital or radial tuberosity. Next we're going to have the interosseous crest, okay? The interosseous crest is going to be this edge, this borderline, okay, that's going to cause the joint between your ulna and your radius. Next we have the styloid process, which is also conveniently named because it looks almost like the point of a stylus. Styloid process. Okay, moving on to the ulna. This is our ulna. We have the olecranon, which is going to be this rear region here. The olecranon. Next, we have the anconeal process. The anconeal process is going to be our caudalmost process. Next, we're going to have the trochlear notch, which is this notch right here. Next we have the radial notch. You can see this little indentation right here too. This is where your radius is going to be sitting. You have the coronoid process, which is going to be this more cranial process. Next you have the interosseous crest again, like I said, that's going to make that joint with the radius. And then finally the styloid process, okay, which is also just the tip of that ulna. So now we're going to look and see how the two pair up, and that kind of helps us visualize and understand a little bit better the interosseous crest. So you can see here in a living animal you would have a membrane connecting these two together, forming a joint.